Breaking news from Nepal. A catastrophic flash flood struck Rossua district near the Tibet border on Wednesday morning. Police say 157 bodies have been recovered, while more than 400 travelers are reported missing, including foreign visitors. The surge tore through the Botkashi and Trishuli river systems, destroying homes, roads, bridges, and energy infrastructure. Experts say an ice rock avalanche may have triggered the disaster, but the exact cause remains under investigation. Rescue teams are searching cut-off areas. These figures may change as the emergency continues.